Hey YouTube, today I thought I'd talk about spark plug selection for an MSD box or capacitive discharge box. Right here I have a Bosch Platinum 4 Fusion Iridium and a standard Motorcraft Copper. Typically MSD recommends this straight copper. They actually wear out a lot faster, but you know, the reason why they don't recommend like what they call them hype plugs, but it's because like platinum and iridium is a denser material, and what happens is, you know, with the capacitive discharge box sparking so many times, this thing doesn't have, the denser material doesn't have time to cool off, so it acts as like almost like a glow plug, like a diesel glow plug, which kind of stays too hot, and it can actually give you like pre-ignition, and it can fire off your mixture before it's ready to go. So it could possibly fire off your mixture before the spark is sent, because it stays so hot still. That's just what I've read and what I've been told and what I've learned online. So yeah, so they actually recommend these copper plugs. Standard, basic, just cheapo copper plugs. What I found out though is when you're running these things, you'll have to change them a lot quicker if you're running the MSD, because this thing's having so many sparks, it's wearing out twice as fast. So typically they recommend about 30,000 miles for a normal coil, non-capacitive discharge, but I've noticed these things rounding off a lot, like after like you know, maybe like 5 or 10,000 miles. So I usually go about 15 to 20 maybe, but I usually look at them about every 10,000 miles just to make sure. But yeah, because the gaps wear out really fast too, so gotta check them pretty often. But yeah, if you're running a non MSD box, then you know, running like a you know, platinum or iridium plug should be fine, shouldn't be a problem. But all right, cool. Let me know if you have any questions.